Hello and welcome to all of you for this Autodesk Technology video series, which is powered by Redington and Autodesk Middle East. This will be a continuous series of technology solution videos on Autodesk product lines, starting from the platform product of Autodesk, which is called AutoCAD Lite, and then we will take you to a journey on different product lines which caters to different industry requirements for architectural, engineering and construction industry. My name is Vivek. I'm the technical consultant for Redington Gulf for Autodesk Solutions. In this short video, we'll be primarily discussing on two products, the flagship products of Autodesk, AutoCAD Lite and AutoCAD. What are the differences? What are the key differences with respect to a user when you're migrating from AutoCAD Lite to AutoCAD with industry toolset platform? AutoCAD Lite is a basic version of AutoCAD which is catering to two-dimensional drawings and preparation of CAD entities. When a user migrates to AutoCAD full version with industry toolsets, you get a lot of additional features and benefits which caters to different specialized industry requirements. AutoCAD full version, or we call it AutoCAD industry toolset, comes with AutoCAD platform, full three-dimensional modeling capability, plus it contains around n number of industry tool sets or industry libraries catering to different segments, particularly with architectural, MEP, plant, with GIS, electrical, mechanical and raster to vector conversion. These different products are called as industry tool sets, or previously were defined under different terminologies. Let us start with AutoCAD architecture or architectural toolsets. AutoCAD architecture or AutoCAD architectural toolset contains a bunch of libraries, around 70,000 libraries of different architectural tool components which help the designers to develop intelligent 3D models on AutoCAD platform, which helps them to be more productive and more efficient when they start working on CAD environment. They are not leaving AutoCAD environment. On the CAD environment, they have tools which caters to developing building models for architectural point of view. Second module is AutoCAD MEP, which caters to the MEP segment, which includes mechanical HVAC, electrical and plumbing services. So this module or toolset includes libraries specialized to all the three different disciplines of the MEP industry. All these tools works on AutoCAD interface. So the users who are well versed in AutoCAD can quickly migrate to start using these tools without much of a challenge in starting developing the drawings. With the basic training, they can quickly start utilizing these tools and they can be more productive on their day-to-day production. The next product toolset which gets included in AutoCAD industry toolset is called AutoCAD Plant 3D, which is primarily focusing on the plant-related workflow, preparation of schematic drawings for plant, developing of intelligent 3D models for plant-related industry, integrating this plant in the engineering model with the building information modeling platform and other related workflows also. The next module of industry toolset includes AutoCAD Map, which is a engine to integrate GIS data with AutoCAD. So AutoCAD Map 3D is a platform which helps to connect different GIS platforms from ESRI, from other sources directly into AutoCAD interface and use the complete power of GIS data for the digital design workflow. It also helps to attach a lot of raster images which are particularly on geographical location mapped through the GIS FDO connectivity feature, which we call as Feature Data Object Platform, and use those intelligence for the design workflow. AutoCAD Map has one more very powerful facility which helps co-authoring of AutoCAD drawings. AutoCAD Map is the only platform on AutoCAD engine which helps co-authoring on AutoCAD drawings. This means it helps users to work simultaneously on the same drawing by different users in different regions. The next module on AutoCAD industry toolsets is called AutoCAD Electrical. AutoCAD Electrical is a module primarily focusing on electrical schematic drawings. In this tool, it starts developing the schematic mod drawings or the schematic layouts using libraries related to electrical workflow. Instead of using traditionally designers use lines and arcs and blocks to develop drawings, here we use intelligent components like wires, switches, resistors, a lot of industry related tools to be used in your project. Also, it includes industry standard manufacturer libraries developed by different manufacturers integrated into AutoCAD Electrical. So it is not required, for example, if you are using a electrical system from Schneider, you don't need to recreate anything from scratch. The libraries are available, so you can take those libraries and you can integrate them in your project workflow. The next module which comes along with AutoCAD industry toolsets is AutoCAD Mechanical. This caters to the drawing development for manufacturing segment. So for example, if you would like to develop CAD drawings on manufacturing related workflows, like for example for gears or for the creation of sections for any mechanical components, you can use AutoCAD Mechanical. All these industry toolsets include intelligent libraries which are based on industry standards, plus those libraries can be completely customized as per the project requirements or as per the organizational standards what is being followed. The last module which comes along with AutoCAD industry toolsets is AutoCAD Raster Design. Raster Design is an extension on AutoCAD which helps to convert raster images. It could be drawings, it could be objects with text to vector format. It has intelligence to do the digitization of lines or digitization of irregular shapes like contours and other things. Plus, it also has the intelligence to detect the object characters and convert them into editable text format. So this is a semi-automated tool which helps to convert old drawings, which are paper drawings, which are scanned and brought into AutoCAD Raster Design to convert into vector drawings. So these are the industry toolsets which are integrated in the latest version of AutoCAD license. And with this subscription of AutoCAD license, the user is eligible for using any of these products without paying any additional cost. So that helps him to be more productive in his day-to-day workflow by using all the intelligent component libraries which are integrated along with the specialized tool sets. Thank you. Thank you for watching this first session of our technology video series.